Okay students, welcome back to second session. Today first session I taught you human relations, A reading, the journey. Now let us take C reading. What is my name? What is my name? C reading. Let us discuss B reading later. Now let us see and learn something from this lesson. What is my name? My dear students, how can your parents call you by name? How can your parents call you by name? Yes, some of the parents, not some of the parents, almost all the parents will call you by name. Some especially some of the parents will call with our cute names and some of the pet names, and there are so many nicknames are there. So name has identity. Name has identity. If you see, for example, Ravi. For example, we say there are many names are there. Those are having the Ravi, and many names are there. But what highlights our name? What highlights our name? What will give importance to our name? Our talents, certificates, prizes, rewards and awards. When we do some good things, when we achieve something, especially when we achieve something, then there is a name is called identity there. What will give us identity is not identity is not recommendation. For example, if I study well, if I work hard, and if I achieve my goal, if I become IAS officer, then Ravi IAS. This is identity. Everyone has the name. And what will give us identity? As first of all, the name will give us identity. And what will give identity to the name? Once again I repeat, name will give to us identity, and what will give identity to the name? As I said, if you achieve something, then yes, so and so. For example, any student here, maybe Gopi or Ramesh got 10 by 10 in Pratibha school. Identity. Or who is their name? Okay, Gopi, 10 by 10, identity. Who is that girl? Rani, 10 by 10, identity. She got 10 by 10. He got 10 by 10, identity. She got prize. She participated in many things. She got prize. She participated. She performed dance competition. She performed singing. She participated. She got prize and rewards and awards. Identity. Simply sitting home, doing nothing, always enjoying without having any aim, without any goal, simply watching movies, simply wailing away the time, it will not bring us identity. If there is time, plenty of time. We should not waste our time. Plenty of time. If the holiday, if we get holiday, it's not simply a holiday. We should not spend simply like that. It is sin. We should learn something. There are a number of things are there. Learning something. Yes, every day. 5 GK, current affairs, 5 vocabulary, 5 meanings, or some other any new things. I wanted to update my knowledge. I am not asking to whole day reading and writing takes some time, a lot some time. Why need to speak with other people by using by mobile, WhatsApp, whatever it is, and nothing will get. Nothing will get. So, what are things that will bring identity is a name. So, here, what is my name? What is my name? Can anyone forget? Can anyone forget name? No one forgets. No one forgets name. But here in this story, what is my name? There is one woman, she got married and she was very intelligent, like you. She was very intelligent. She was well educated. She was brilliant and bright student, but she got married. So now let us see that marriage life. Marriage life, very busy marriage life, at the same time very sacred. Sacred means very holy. Sacred marriage life. Those who marry and they know, not only in the marriage, not only happiness always, there are some ups and downs. Sometimes happiness, sometimes struggles, troubles, misunderstanding, understanding, lack of adjustment. These are all package in marriage. So if you treat everything in equal manner, then our life will go on smooth in marriage life. So many people say so many things. Those who don't know, those who don't love us, those dislike us, they create many things. They create many things. Out of jealousy also. Yes, that man, that girl is not good, character is not good, don't speak. Everything they say. We should not point out the person's mistake. We should not say that is without knowing completely that. So she was very well talented and very bright woman, and she got married. You know, married life, what the woman will do the married life? In married life, cleaning, mopping, swabbing. Swabbing means cleaning. She has to clean the house, mopping house, and domestic work she has to do. Women, and this woman also, one who got married, she was doing work every day, keeping the house clean, doing all the things. She was very busy in married life. So she was doing everything, cleaning and mopping and washing dishes and whatever work in the house, then she was going on doing that. And meanwhile, when he was doing that, she forgot her name. It is like a strange thing. How can one woman forgot her name? If we say that the woman forgot her name, is how much she is busy in daily work, daily routine, how much she is busy. So she forgot her name. And she was thinking, what is my name? What is my name? So this is our title is called, our lesson is called, what is my name? What is my name? She was thinking, what is my name? What is my name? But she could not understand. She could not recognize. She couldn't recognize. She could not identify what is my name. Because of everyday activities, everyday, what can you say? Work. And she was going and asking relatives and sister and other all, what is my name? What is my name? And they are saying, some people call Amma, And husband is called what? Husband will call oi, yamoi, ekkadunna oi. These things are. So relatives and their mother-in-law, father-in-law is calling not by name, yamoi, ekkadunna oi, or amma. They are calling like that, but they are not calling by name. So even husband also calling. Okay, between love between husband and wife is in a certain method. Okay, you can call yamoya. That is depends upon their relationship. But when they come outside or any place, they have to call by name. But always husband is calling why, amma, where are you? Then she could not understand, she could not recognize. She asked so many, they did not say name. What is my name? She was going on asking, what is my name? No one answered. Even husband also. So she wanted to find out her name. She went to her homes. She went to her house. She went to her home to ask her parents. No? And there, what the parents will call now? It is unbelievable, forgetting name, but it is a lesson. So parents what they call sometimes with the love and affection, they call Amma, where are you? What are you doing? Amma. Or with the cute, with their nicknames they call us. She asked her parents also. Now see the important. First she forgot her name. First point. Second point, why she forgot her name? Why she forgot? What is the reason? She was very busy by doing housework, by doing domestic work. That is reason. And afterwards she asked all the family members and husband also, but they did not say her name. Even husband also. That's why she went her house to ask her parents. She asked her parents, what is my name? Parents also could not say her name. What they said? Amma, like that with it. That's the next. They replied, parents replied, if you want your name, search your certificates. Yes, very, very clever answer, no? Search and certificate. In the certificate it will be there, name. So if you don't know your name, if you want to find out your name, search in the certificate, fish out in the certificate. Very nice word, fish out. Fish out means not any fish. Not any fish. What we eat, that not fish. Fish out means search. Fish out means search. Go and fish out certificates. In that certificates, your name will be there. She went and searched. She was going on searching. She was going to almirah and searching. Cupboard. In the cupboard, what will be there? Clothes, all the ornaments, gold, whatever, silver, diamond, and bangles. So many saris. The saris also, different kinds of saris. Not only one sari, different kinds of saris, different kinds of dress style, different kinds of dress material, different kinds of bangles. Not only one bangle. So many kinds will be there in the cupboard and almirah. She could not find out certificates. That's why the author was to say she was searching for her certificates. Once she was searching for her certificates, she could not find. So she found all the saris, all kind of saris, all kind of bangles, all kind of makeup kits, all kind of everything she searched, but she could not find. certificates. So, and after coming out, she could not find her certificates. She was going and asking by again so many people, they are not saying. On final day, her childhood, means classmate, friend, she came and she recognized her friend and called Sarada. Now what is my name is Sarada. Hey Sarada, how are you? Then she was very happy. Yes, my name is Sarada. The friend Pramila. Friend Pramila. Sarada, when she found my name is Sarada, and she was very happy, and she went home. She went home. Before she went home, and she got her certificates, and now let us see the main theme of this lesson. Main theme, when she came, Sarada friend came and said, your name is Sarada. Your name is Sarada. Then when she came and told your name is Sarada, she remembered her name. Then my name is Sarada. And she said, hey Sarada, when you are in the school, when you were studying 10th class, you are first, and you are in the intermediate, you participate in a music competition, you are first, and you participate in many activities, you are first. So now I wanted to say, these certificates, these rewards and awards will give identity to the person. Identity to the person. And how can she remembered? How can Pramila remembered that friend name is Sarada? Because of that. Sarada first in competition. Sarada was first in dance competition. Sarada was first in music competition. Sarada was first in the school. Sarada was first in the class. Sarada. Anyone will forget there? No one. So you keep your name in Sarada place. You can say that any name of the person, any name of the thing, any name of the person. She is always first. She is always. I am not pointing of any girl, any boy. For example, take Ramesh. Ramesh was first in the class. Ramesh was first in running competition. Ramesh was first in singing competition. Ramesh was Ramesh. Identity. Then no one forgets that. No, nothing I do. I simply sit. I won't participate. I won't go forward. I won't speak. I won't go and speak in public. I don't want to show my face to others. I want to hide. I want to hide my face. I want to not to show it anyone my face. Nicely I will sit there only happily. So that is not at all good. When you are sitting like that, who knows you? Who knows you? Who knows you? That is, our name is like that. Who knows you? No one knows. When you come out of your place, when you participate, when you get prize, when you get award and reward, then everyone will recognize you. Everyone will recognize you. Everyone will respect you. Everyone will give value to your personality. So she gave friend said, your name is Sarada. Then you are first, those days you are first, when you were in the school you are first in everything. Then these are the things will give us identity to our name. And she came back from her house and she spoke with husband and she said, my name is Sarada. And now onwards, she replied, she gave not warning, she strongly said to her husband, don't call me Emoy or Voy, Yakrana Voy, not like that. Call me by my name Sarada. Call me by my name Sarada. This is the story, what is my name. I have identity. My name is Sarada, not A, O, I, I. Hey, where are you? Hey, come here. How can you address like that? How can you address and how can you say? So she said strongly that call me my name Sarada. Then husband and her relatives started calling her name by Sarada. Like that, first she forgot her name. Afterwards, she struggled so much to find out her name. She searched, she fished out everything. She asked parents, she asked relatives, she asked her near and dear one is husband also. But the one who studied with her, the one who spent with her during the school days, she recognized that she was Sarada. So very, very important lesson. So this is a lesson written by P. Satyavati. She used to give more preference for the women, because women are also equal to men. Now those days only men had the identification and men had the importance and so much. So slowly years passed by, everything was transformed. Now everyone is participating, everything, in every activities, in every field. Women participating in every field, even politics also, and even becoming pilots also. There is no profession that women should not do. Everything she was participating there. That's what the author of this lesson wants to say. Women should have the identity. My dear students, we should have the identity. Not only name. First introduction class I told you, your name gives you identity, your talent, your personality, your intelligence, your capacity, your cleverness will give identity to your name. So once Sarada, when I was in so much busy with that all kind of work, and afterwards last climax, what happened, what she did? She brought all the certificates, album, everything, and she was showing her children that when I was in school like that, she was showing to her children that. When children saw this album, we may simply think that what is their showing only, but it should not be that. When the parents show their album, their achievements, their rewards and awards, compulsory children will get inspiration. We need to take inspiration from anyone. Our parents are our inspiration, our teachers are our inspiration. Not any cine hero, not any cine heroine, actor, actresses. Yes, there are some people who struggled and who came up with their hard work. Yes, there are. But we need to take, but we should not go anywhere. In our society, in our family, in our house only, we have our parents are our inspiration, our teachers are our inspiration. Take the inspiration those people. We are taking inspiration from others people and taking their pictures and pasting in the flank and nicely worshipping that hero worship and heroine worship. Should not be like that. They will not bring any any identification or any identity or any importance also. Our talent, our parents and our teachers will give us one kind of identification, that is our name. Now I am telling you the main theme of this. When you forget your name, you are forgetting, you are spoiling your education. When you forget your name, you are forgetting your goal, you are forgetting your aim, you are forgetting your life, you are forgetting your future also. So don't forget your name. No one will forget. Meaning is, don't spoil your future. Don't keep away your goal. Continue to do and achieve our goal. That is very, very important. So when in the class we see by reading the lesson, what is my name, and previously first A reading we saw the journey. These are all human relations. Human relations. One of the movie you see, not the values or properties, not anything. Values or property. Not any, these are all come and go, temporary. Temporary, what will come and go? Money will come and go, power will come and go, authority will come and go, domination will come and go, everything will come and go. But name will remain forever and ever. Name will remain forever and ever. What is my name? Not only my parents, not only my relatives, but everybody should know my name. When they can know my name, when I achieve something, when I become something great, then everybody will remember my name. No one likes lazy people. No one likes stubborn people. No one likes even jealousy or whatever it may be. They like hardworking people. Everyone will like the hardworking people. So hard work is very, very important. Our weapon should be hard work. So everything also come and go, as I said, but your name, your identity, your achievement, your goal remain forever and ever. Should not go look back. So here Sarada forgets. Again I am reading the Sarada forgets. My dear students, I started first one the journey. I ask you the story and what have happened in the story, and again I will ask in the class what is my name when you come back. So just you have the textbooks, all of you. So once because I completed first unit, second unit I started also, second unit also I completed. This third unit, second unit one lesson remained, third unit human relations, first one A I started, completed, and B completed, sorry B remained, so C is completed. Your work is, please all of you take some time, read the lesson. First of all, reading is very, very important. Read the lesson, very, very important. Now this take unit 3 human relations, read the lesson. What is the lesson? First one, the journey. Second one, once upon a time. Third one is what is my name. First read the lesson, and very, very important, read the lesson. So when we read the lesson, we will learn so much, so many vocabulary words, so many grammatical points also. Reading lesson is very, very important. From the reading the lesson, we can learn so many things. Even grammar points also. Passages, comprehensive passages also we know when we read the lesson, and especially you will improve our reading skill. Some students will say boring. These holidays are boring. Yes, what boring? If you take every subject wise, take the lesson and read twice and thrice, then it will not be bored. I am not asking to read completely from morning to evening. Reading. Allot the time. Read the lesson. Once again, there should be loud reading. There should be silent reading. Read. When you make any mistake also, no problem. Read. Then it will become practice. Then you will become a good reader, speaker. That is very. Don't say boring that what I have to do. And I want I want to talk to my friend. I want to call. I want to chat. Everything is please stop. Read the lesson. And note making is very important. Take then everything in the note making and read the 2 lessons and write the hard words and show me the next class. Thank you. We will continue next session and next class next time. Thank you.